I was looking for trendy oversized sunglasses. A quick disclaimer here. I received this product free to try. Let's see what's inside this box. But first, let's start with this box. It is just gorgeous. It also says that we use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet. That's what's written on the box. The glasses, they come in a sleeve, polarized tester here that you can look with your glasses. There's a cleaning cloth and a card from the company. Oh, an extra protection here. Oh my gosh. And the sides, they also come protected. Oh, these are gorgeous. Let's try them on. Oh my gosh, they are great. Story of your eyes. Actually, you cannot read this with your bare eyes, but when you look with the glasses, you can read the writing inside that little label. Oh wow, it's like magic. They fit perfectly on my face shape and they're so stylish. TIJN Polarized sunglasses feature oversized round frames suitable for men and women. Designed for comfort, they offer a snug fit for all face shapes with lens width of 60 millimeters. These sunglasses provide UV400 protection, guarding against harmful rays, and polarized lenses reduce glare and eye strain. Stay fashionable and protect your eyes with TIJN vintage style shades.